Hello everybody, Brian here for quantlabs.net. Let me just show you what we got here. This is the trading client working live off of my server now, and what you'll see here are signals coming in live. So I wanted to go through them to see how they're performing based upon what the client's putting out. So we're going to see if they're good trades. We'll look at the 1 minute basis if we can do that. Hopefully we can see that as we go through this. So let's look at the big ones first. Ethereum and Bitcoin. So that's the Kraken bot. Let's see how that's looking right now. I'm going to bring up, and again, this is using, in this case, this is Binance futures data. So it's going to look not quite in sync, but overall it'll give you an idea of how the markets are. So here we are. This is a minute basis. So right now you can see that 23.53, Bitcoin's definitely moving, or has been moving tonight, from the price of about 30,459 all. So when you get a lot of these little signals, buy, sell, and this is fully automated trading, I might add, so that you know the signals are pretty good. We're going to look at a few more. So right now you can see that the Bitcoin is doing a little bit of moves, but people go, well, how do you get these crazy returns? It's doing so many trades and kind of equivalent scalping when everything's moving, that it does the trades exactly. Now this is using the newer proven, I would say, PubNub connection, and you would get your trading signal within 100 milliseconds. So it would be able to get the order out fairly quickly. Another one, I'm going to go in reverse here. So another one I'm going to look at is Ethereum. So here's Ethereum here. Let me just do the 1 minute. So again here you can see it kind of move up. At some point, I don't know at what point these signals would take place, but I do obviously track it. So it does move, you know, from a little price of, let's say, $12.74 to $12.79. That's $5. You do the math over a few minutes. Some other big moves here, as you can see. So let's look at some of the other coins that got listed here in reverse. This is now going to be moving over to Binance. So we have Kava. I don't know if people have seen this. This is right now going crazy. Doge. Somebody must have tweeted about it. Probably a stripper or something. But you know, big move there. Look at the volume. This is going crazy. Link. But let's look at what we got on our little bot here. So as I said, we have Kava. Let's see how Kava is doing. Now earlier I've shown that some of the lower volume was not getting shown on Motorway for some reason, but in this case you can see it is. Here we have Kava moving up from 209 to 221. That's a 10% move right there. It's on the move right now, so hopefully we got some profitable trades there. I'll be checking on that tomorrow. Another one, ETC. Now I said earlier today, if ETC is moving, that one can do quite well. Again, you can see here it's moving on up. Big move there. So we're looking at close there at $7.01, and right now it's at 7. Ooh, look at that. That's moving up probably 10%. So right there, that's a Ethereum classic signal being picked up. Okay, we got OMG as well. Let's check that out. OMG. Again, these are all 1 minute charts. Look at that, another big mover. So crypto is just on the move right now. Earlier tonight, 315, 315, 320, 27, about 5% move. But right here, you're looking at 320 to 326. Not bad. If you got any questions, please chime on in the chat. Also, we got, what else we got here? Recently, we've got OMG dot looked like it was moving earlier again today. But just to show you in such a short amount of time how these coins can move so fast. It's crazy. Doge, I'm sorry, dot. 1560 at 21 o'clock. 21 o'clock. So that's at 15:05. Now it's at 16. These are definite movers here. Let's see what else we got here. XLM. You can see the volume here. It's moving pretty good. XLM, USDT. As well, you can see XLM's looking pretty good right there. This is stellar. So just from this point here at 23.40, close 24 cents up. Well, just to be precise here, 24.45, or sorry, 24.40, all the way up to 24.707. So it looks like it's slightly on the move. That can be a good coin. XTC, this has been moving a lot. Let me just close out some of these. XTC, let's see here. XTC, this is Tezos USDT. Again, 1 minute chart. Got some nice moves here, looks like. Lowest at 296, up 298. So again, can you imagine if you had all of this automated, linked up to your account, and you get hopefully some good trades. When things move, they move. We have here Uni. This is a definite big DeFi coin. Let's see what this has been doing. There you go, another big upward move. So we're looking at 1426 to 1460. 40-cent move there. Let's see. Let's look at Filecoin. Another one that was showing a long. Let's see here. Filecoin. Okay. So that's looking pretty good there. We'll take it from here. 23.48. Close 21.65. Up to 21.70. Not a huge move, but again, this is over the last few minutes. Other one's near. Okay, let's look at that one. Look at this. So if they had positions open, you'd be doing quite well. Let's check out this one. NER USDT. But I might have to smooth out to not have these kind of coins in there, but it's not a big mover here, I don't think. Close at 206 to currently at 208. Not a big move there. ZIL. This one was doing pretty good. ZIL. ZIL USDT. Look at that. That's a nice one. That's what I like to see. So if you were starting down here at 6 cents, 6.29 or 6.29 all the way up to 6.50. That's almost a 10% move. Not bad. Let's see what else we got in our little client here. Compound. This one doesn't move a whole lot, but when it does, that's usually a decent little coin. Compound USDT. Ooh, look at that. That's a nice move right there. From 226 to to 229. 5% move in a few minutes there. Let's see what else we got. EOS. Let's see here. EOS as well. EOS USDT. Wow, that's looking pretty decent. Let's say if I took it from the low here, 252 to 256. It's 4 cents. Not a lot there. XRP, a lot of people have not liked this coin, but it does perform now. Boom, XRP, USDT. So here, let's just say, right down here, 25 cents, 25.10 to 25.65. It's not bad since 24.45 when it's yeah, let's just move on. ICX. Another one. Wow. Okay, let's just focus on this one right here. These big movers here. You're looking at 81 cents all the way up to 82.58. ICX, XRP we looked at. SRM. I think this is a new coin as well. SRM, USDT. Again, these are good charts. So again, we're looking at close $1.88 to $1.95. Maker. I don't think this will be a top one. MKR, USDT. You can see these little gaps here. This is what we struggle with. I might have to weed these out, but I'm just really focusing on the communication from the server to these trading clients. So we got 13.30 all the way up to 13.80, $50. Pretty good, but yeah, these gaps I'm not a big fan of. Not enough volume there. I've talked about that on my private chat server. This one might do good. This one's been trading pretty good lately. Algo. ALGO, USDT. Not so much. So let's take it from here at close 55.14 to 55.90. Looks like there's a major tank happening right now in the market. So SNX. Let's see that, SNX. SNX, USDT. Look, it's starting to come back up some 85.80, 85.82, all the way up to the peak of 89.20. So that's close to 10% move. So those little 10% moves that mean a lot. Look at that's crazy. Zcash. Wow. I don't know if that's going to recover or what. Let's see if that's 5 minutes. Just out of these minute charts can really throw you off very quickly. .88. People ask about Cardano. Let's see how that's working. Cardano. Again, here we go from 31.49 to about 32.900. Nothing to brag about there. But overall, things are looking good. I'm just going to look at more of the bigger coins. Link. We can do that here. Look at the 1 minute. That's pretty solid move up. 21,400 to 23.16, so 10% move. Yowza. Got CRV here. Okay, CRV. Okay, not much here. If you wanted to, from $1.79 to roughly $1.90, 10% move again. I mean, these are just from the last like few hours. But lots of Bitcoin in there, Stellar, so on and so on. Let me just see if there's anything new in the recent list here. A lot of Bitcoin there. Let me just check out Bitcoin and Ethereum. So Ethereum minute chart, it's moving on up a little bit. And Bitcoin, let's look at that one last time. Bitcoin USDT. It is moving up, a little choppy recently, but you can see this move up from 30.48, so we cover that. But yeah, it looks like things are looking pretty good. Happy about that. Lastly, I just want to let you know the new store is kind of running. I'll be having to tweak it further. I will be taking crypto as of whenever I get everything all hooked up. That will be for Bitcoin, Bitcoin Cash, and Litecoin as what will be accepted. Also, I'll no longer be taking PayPal. It's too much of a high risk for me, especially as you start to charge upward of 1,000 plus. And yeah, I don't like Bitcoin because of that. So it's either going to be credit card via Stripe or crypto. We'll leave it at that. Thanks for watching. But as you can tell here, it's working pretty good. We'll keep an eye on it. Hope it doesn't crap out like it did last night, 24 hours ago. Keep everybody updated on the chat server. Speaking of, let me just go over that. Okay, so if you like what you see and you want to get this trading client for your automated trading, just move on. Come over to quantlabs.net/questions. Out of that, you will be able to or send it off those answers to this email address right here. And then from there, we can talk and see how everything will work out for you if it meets your expectation. Also, if you want to know in detail what's been going on, come over to our quantlabs.net/DV. Just note that this will change. And you can click on that for now, even with PayPal, and do the get private chat server lifetime access, so you're in. It's growing. Pretty happy about it, actually. And lastly, if you just want to get some books and get a feel of what we're about, just fill out this form. We'll get you a couple of PDFs for free. Trade Like a Boss and some other secret sauce stuff for stock trading. Other than that, we'll leave it at that. Trading client's looking good, and as I said, get that up and running for you so that you're able to get your automated trading. Just hook it up to your either Kraken and or Binance out of Asia, and we can get you automated trading. Pretty cool. It's all working so far, and no comments or questions, so we'll leave it at that. Thanks for watching. Have a good night.